as Bitcoin has had a day of lower time frame volatility, but overall consolidation here today. We're sitting in this absolutely monster trade up over $10,000 in profits over on Blowfin. I'm going to show you guys in this video what I am looking at, why I'm in these longs, and something you need to be aware of. We are going to analyze this structure that we're in off of the low from the bottom. I'm going to show you what I'm thinking the next move is here on Bitcoin, as well as look at Ethereum and Ethereum's overall structure that I'm seeing here, since we are in a nice juicy Ethereum trade as well. So strap in, sit back, relax. I'm going to show you what I'm foreseeing to happen tomorrow, what the next move may be going into through the weekend on Bitcoin. We've been absolutely nailing these trades, these calls lately. It will not always be like this, but we are streaking right now, let me tell you what. So without further ado, let's get into it. Zooming in real quick right off the bat, I'm just going to zoom in on this consolidation that we've been experiencing. And, you know, had a lot of, you know, took out the low liquidity, took out the high liquidity. I told you yesterday in my premium Discord we were long from right here. We're still sitting long, hopefully. But I did give everyone some trades today. Told everyone to long right here on Bitcoin. Ended up taking profits, got stopped out, but is a winning trade nonetheless. And on Ethereum, told everyone to long this right here. And Ethereum's looking pretty strong right now, stronger than Bitcoin. So I did add to my long here on Ethereum. And as you can see over in the premium Discord, let's see. Yeah, here's all the trades from today. We are 7 for 7 over the past 3 days. Here was 6 for 6 on that Bitcoin trade. And then the Ethereum trade right now is 7 for 7. It's a winning trade. Take profits on the way up, pay yourself. But I'm so happy to see all the premium members winning. It truly brings me happiness in this life, and it's just a good feeling. So if you want to check out the premium Discord, the link to the free Discord is pinned in the first comment down below. Check it out. Pinned in the first comment is the free Discord, and I do want to make you guys aware I am jacking the price up September 18th, next Wednesday. You have less than a week to lock in the current price. It will be $98 a month. And that's probably still not enough, guys. It provides way too much value in there. So if you want to lock in the current price of the premium Discord membership, head on over to the free Discord. Use code 25OFF. It will give you $25 off your first month even. You just go over to upgrade here. You click the link. It links directly with your Discord. It's super easy. You get access to my non-stop alerts, full access to me. My 24/7 live Elliott Wave charts, my Elliott Wave course is in here. Indicators are included. There's so much included. Check it out. You will not regret it. Okay, so premium Discord, we've been nailing these trades, smaller time frame. And I'm going to try to show you what I'm seeing next on the chart here. Ultimately for Bitcoin, let's zoom out a tad. I do want to bring something to your attention. So Bitcoin does look like it has a nice 5-wave shape. This does look a little corrective, but if you want, you could say that's 5 waves. And we may have 5 waves finished and due for a correction on a larger scale, something like that, right? That's not what I want to see. I'm expecting higher. I'm expecting this to pump through. We might be due for a little correction here of this wave, and then we blast through. But I need to make sure you're aware. Now, I am long from the bottom right here. Long from the ultimate bottom, so I'm chilling. But if you have long from any of these higher levels, you need to be aware that the price very well can come down here. I believe the low is in for the foreseeable future until we get at least one more leg up. I want to see at least one more leg up, and I'll tell you why. Right now, it doesn't look finished. Either it can be a finished impulse, which would mean a correction down and then continuation to the upside, or I have a WXY forming, where we have our W here, X looking to put in our Y wave, which would be an ABC. It's just another count, another variation. It's not my primary. As we all know, my primary count, going back, is an ABC here, up to around 65K at least. Want to see 67K, and then reversal right around Fed rate cuts. You know what I'm saying? So that would be the 18th, literally right there where I drew it. For that to happen, this needs to get quite impulsive to the upside here. We need to just blast through, maybe rate cuts come in, and then drop the hammer, right? But this needs to start picking up steam. It's looking good. We are consolidating quite nicely here. Ready for a big move, in my opinion. Ready to just blast through and start moving. I'm long for it. I'm staying long for it. Hopefully this trade, when I wake up in the morning, is a lot bigger than just 10,000. So, yeah, well, fingers crossed, baby. Fingers crossed. It's looking good, though. Now, going smaller time frame on Bitcoin again. For that impulsive count to play, I need this. Let's hop over to Ethereum, because Ethereum's chart is a little more clear to me right now. So for Ethereum, and then we'll go back to Bitcoin. For Ethereum right now, I have a starting leg. This looks like a flat correction to me, an ABC, right? So that's our 1, 2. We have just put in another 1, 2 right here. This, for all intents and purposes, should be your big wave. We may need to correct a little more. Really want this trend line to hold. Small correction maybe, and then take off. I would hate for it to come down to the trend line. It might want to bust through if that's the case. We may have to look at this as more of a correction like that and then go. Maybe a fake out. But I want to see this be our 1, 2, and now we are going to start juicing to the upside. So we have a finished flat correction that is done, set right there. And we have put in our 1, 2 looking for a pretty big wave to the upside here. Zooming out on the Ethereum chart, I'm expecting, right where Bitcoin's local high is right here. Right here. Same kind of deal. Ethereum's is lower than Bitcoin, obviously, but I'm still expecting that to break maybe around 2,800, and that would be the finished impulsive wave. That gets you to September 18th, 19th, right around Fed rate cuts as well. So it's mapped out. The time trajectory is there for this move to occur. It's my favorite count. It's my primary account. Obviously, I'm trading this count, and that's just what it's looking like to me, guys. Now, if you're looking to trade this, head on over to Blowfin. They're no KYC. I hooked you guys up with the link pinned in the first comment. It gets you a nasty initial deposit bonus. So go capitalize on that initial deposit bonus and start trading on Blowfin. It's what everyone's using. It's what I'm using, obviously. Click the link. This is the only link that will give you that bonus. And start trading. Make you some money, people. So yeah, things to, I would give a bearish count, but I mean, for me, the low is in. There's no reason to give a bearish count. Obviously, anything can happen. I'm prepared for anything to happen, but that's just where I stand right now. Tonight into tomorrow, I want to see maybe a little more consolidation, maybe a break below this level here. That would be, let's see, yeah, like 57.3. Finish a nice little correction here, 57.3, and that would be our 1, 2. Let's go, baby. I'd be looking to long 57K, 57.3. Anything in here, I'd be looking to long. Do not want this trend line to break. Do not want this trend line to break. So we'll see what tomorrow brings. I will see you in tomorrow's video. Subscribe to the channel for these daily videos if you're not already. Smash the like button. I'll see you in the premium Discord, guys. I'm warning you now, I'm jacking up the prices. So get in there, lock in that price if you want to be a part of the premium community. I will see you guys all on the other side. I love each and every one of you. Bye.